bed. See you later. Jack's getting a bit of a snooze in. I'm gonna go and see if I can clean some dirt out of my seals. Currently can't charge anything because the whole house runs on them panels. That is just full of oil. Just wiped clean under here and I'm just getting loads of dirt, so gonna keep cleaning it. Remove this. How dirty it is. Even just dusty down there. I just cleaned them before we left as well. It's been so dusty and rainy. Making a seal cleaner out of a low density milk carton. Let's see if this will work. Hopefully. We're in the seal, it's pissing out of it. Oh, come on. Getting some bits. What do you reckon? Dry it around like 2 or 3 times there. Soaked. Repairing, I think, or stopping some fork seals from leaking. With some plastic jug. Redneckery. I popped it in and scraped it all around and it was just, hopefully it's good and sealed now. It's the best I can do. Have it all put back together. Actually no, I don't have the mug guard on, but it's the best I can do. And hopefully it sealed it. I did see like grating grain come out, so hopefully that was what it was. They're really pressurized. Like as soon as I got it in there, the oil started coming out. Just have to test ride it and see now. I just hope it's fine. If not, I'm just gonna limp it home. And that's today. Look at that view. Not bad. Just need them solar panels to start getting more sunlight, I suppose. Cool. All buttoned up. Time to see if it works. And go down that big hill, loads of bumps in first thing. I think we're going to go and get breakfast now. And go to Tesco and set up camp in our fantastic eco shed.
Well, is that recording? Here we are at the top of the hill. It's my first check-in since yesterday. Slept like shit. Fuck you, Mark. But got a nice nap in the morning. The weather's so much nicer than we thought it would be. And although we tended to do things differently today, I keep off the bikes, or even Mark going in to get his bike fixed. It looks like we're just going to be getting breakfast in the town, doing a bit of shopping, and then coming back here and chilling out and trying to charge things whenever the solar panels decide to allow us to. Yeah, next clip that I'm going to take anyway is going to be of me going down this fucking bastard hill. Hopefully I'm still in a good mood by the time I get to the bottom of it. Yeah. Okay. Hill time. Slow as you fucking like. Probably put it in some kind of gear.
I'm just gonna go down.
Okay, Jesus, mother of God. Holy shit on. Oh, it's not the fucking best thing to be doing first thing on the bike, is it?
No, it's quite peculiar. I just have to take my fingers off from brake so I don't accidentally touch the fucking brake at all. Touch that front
I
brake.
unfortunately do have to use the front brake because my back brake's not good enough for me to go down this hill with just the back brake. So I'm going to be heavily relying on my fucking ABS if anything happens with the front. Okay, airbag vest is currently turned off because I don't need that shit to go off when I'm going 2 goddamn fucking miles an hour. 1 kilometer an hour. Oh no, 7, jeez. I'm flying. Oh god, I thought it was the next turn, it's not. This probably doesn't look that bad on film, but it is. It's a constant fight to keep the bike from going weird and wobbly and catching and story time with Jack. The only crash I had on the bike happened while hitting gravel, and then the front brake locked and I went fucking over the top, and and ever since then, just gravel is a bitch. And Jesus Christ, look at that now, marked off for stopping on the hill. Isn't that impressive? The race to open the gates before I get there.
Yeah, that's what it was.
My god. I was going to say on the way back up, just stop there. Just don't,
Oh yeah, and then reverse
the
back.
gates. Maybe don't be looking around the place, Jack, while you're going down this fucking hill. Oh, look, oh yeah. Thank you. Oh, sweet non-gravel covered ground. Oh, yeah. Enjoyed that a bit too much. Good success. Well, we'll at least make it there.
Jeez, that's a big hill. Imagine. Oh, thank you. Now, the boys are doing a bit.
Interesting. Oh, thank you, sir. Thanks. Might use the gravel. Ah, they weren't very friendly. No, neither of them wanted to look or say hi. People are not very friendly in Ullapool. Weird. They're probably sick to death of tourists. People on bikes and...
When you have unbalanced forks in your motorbike, a lot of things can happen. Like when you slightly let go of the bars, you get a nice bit of a death wobble. Oh, that was a good one. So yeah, be careful. Favorite Chinese takeaway? There it is.
That is terrifying.
The lucky house. Great, isn't it, Jack? picture in picture. Decided to take a break and watch some of our old videos.
Watch the France trip videos.
Watch the France trip video. That's such a nice sky though, I always remember that.
Yeah.
We've already watched all the footage we took on this trip, so we need to watch all of it. Because we're that vain.
Total narcissist.
Yeah. Do you think we make it there or not? Leave a comment in the.
Do you think we died or not?
Leave a comment in the bottom. Here's the bridge now. Jack's gonna turn right there now. It's
Looking well.
so we can hear my surround. Don't know what's gonna happen.
Lovely little day out in the town. Breakfast, bit of shopping, bit of walking around. He didn't nod back. We're surrounded by assholes.
Now just on the way back home after spending a little time in the town, relaxing, getting food, having a nice day without the rain. Lovely town. Lovely town. I like it a lot. Full of lovely bikes and lovely people.
Okay. Let's try not to make a complete mess of this. Yep. Fourth time's the charm. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. Keep it in gear, that should help. Oh! And up the hill we go. Jeez, some fucking smell coming off this bike. Oh, God. And we're if anyone feels like sharing a better way of doing this, I don't want to fucking hear it. Okay, we're being watched. Very good. Some shite. Feet down in case I fucking shit myself. Woo! 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 And we're here again. Just like that. Easy peasy. Just thought you might get some footage of me falling, did you? Some smell coming off this fucking bike, man. Can't tell if it smells like oil or fucking fuel.
That's not working its way through the more you use it anyway. Maybe it'll help, yeah.
Make it smell. Maybe. I think you did that with the diptane. After I put the diptane in, you can't get this smell of stuff kind of burning out the back of it.
It burns a bit hotter. So it is more octane. Yeah, and it started like kicking out.
Having fun with it.
Yeah.
I'd have fun with it if it was on a flat surface, but just because it was
flat.
on a hill, I knew that it
The corners are very difficult.
had nothing.
Gravity is very strong when it comes to bikes.
Yeah.
Gravity.
The update is it's lashing rain. Rain for the night. Jack is making not spaghetti bolognese, even though we said spaghetti bolognese, but something bolognese. And I'm gonna light the fire and have a nice time. I think, fingers crossed, my fork seal is fixed after my hillbilly job, redneck engineering. Isn't that right, Jack?
It's wet out there.
It's wet out there,
Other guys.
but we're having a nice time.
Yeah.
And yeah, that's it pretty much. Jack's making dinner,
Cooking.
and I had a nap. So, teamwork. Happy days.
I've not taken a video in a while, so this is what I'm doing. The lights went out. What can you do?
Lights went out.
Look at our lamps.
I think we load the camping lights as well.
Oh yeah, look at that. Sauce looking saucy. Doing a bit of cooking. Feel like myself again, you know. Mark helped.
What the? Did I? Get out of the fucking way.
Still raining. Makes going to the bathroom difficult, and it's very dull, so the lights going out isn't great, but we still have our little lamps and stuff.
Yeah, so
With head torch. Might be eating in the dark though. Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it? Lovely.